probably won't even think about it 5 years from now. I needed them to deal with it. God will take it out of your life one way or the other. Right now we're getting unready because I'm getting ready to go to bed. I just had a turmeric mask on, and we're gonna talk about how I saved my confidence after completely uprooting my life. I got cheated on across the country while on a road trip and basically had to move back in with my parents, and it has been exactly 1 year since then. And let me tell you the things that I did to help rebuild my confidence, because I was in the trenches. If anybody knows me, they were like, yeah, Allie was going through it. So sorry, I'm not used to like filming on this. I'm actually filming on an iPhone. Number one is that I really relied on my family. I bought an RV and lived in their driveway for at least 6 months. And during that time, I didn't take it for granted. I like made sure that I spent time with my family, like made plans with them. I was close to my family in high school, but then after high school, I moved away to Pennsylvania. So I grew up in New Jersey and I lived like 2.5 hours away. And I just took this time to reconnect with my family and like make sure that I made the effort to spend time with them, because I knew that once I moved out again, I was never going to see them every single day. And I didn't take it for granted, because you know, you only get one mom, you only get one brother, one stepdad. So I tried to make my plans around them because they wanted to spend time with me and they missed me and I miss them too. I'm also not the type of person who like goes to their family for everything. Like I'll deal with something and then come back and tell my family. And this was kind of like completely rerouted everything that I knew, because I knew that I needed them to deal with it. Sorry, I have low cortisol and I can't contain my emotions now. It's like no matter what, I'm always crying. Even having like a meeting with my boss, I'm like crying. Number two, oh, that's an ant. Ew. Number two is that I took the time to explore a lot of places. So I live near Philly, and I just like would take a day outing. Like when I didn't have work, or you know, I was still applying for jobs, like I would romanticize it by going to a cute little cafe. Like I would just make like a day out of it, go get my nails done, like try to not feel alone or like burdened by this new life that I was living. I wanted to seize the day, like carpe diem bitch, and make sure that I was having fun with it. I of course felt my feelings and, you know, dealt with it for a couple weeks, but you know, life goes on and you can't be sad forever. I would explore basically my own backyard. I used to go into Philly a lot when I was in high school. Ew, this looks weird. Haven't used this in a minute. There's old Renkinson. I love this stuff, but I think it's like clumped up. Oh, there it is. Ew, looks like a booger. There's like pimple scars that are not going away. So I just did a turmeric mask. My skin looks so shiny right now though. I love the turmeric mask, honestly. Kills it. Also, I love this old Renkinson stuff. Like, it's expensive, but I feel like it's worth it. It smells really good. Like, it smells like oranges. So yeah, I explored my backyard. I went to the city. I made sure that I was doing things that I wouldn't normally do. And I didn't want to feel like trapped in my hometown. So I made sure that I got out. I also went and visited my best friend in Charleston. Like I took a random, and I know not everyone can do this or has the ability to do this, but my friend Alex, who I used to room with, he was like, hey, I'm going to Switzerland in like, you know, 5 days if you want to go. And I was like, yeah, I'll go. So I just booked like a random flight because he already had the hotel and everything booked. And I was like, hell yeah, brother, I'll go. So we went to Switzerland, Italy, like we drove around. It was just so fun. Like it's such a spur of the moment trip. And I had the best time because I was with the best people. Like you need to have the people that you love most and have the most fun with around you if you don't have confidence. The next thing that I did was make sure that I got into a routine of like going to the gym, my little black shadows, both of them, this one and this one. But yeah, I made sure that I got into a routine of going to the gym, making food, like eating healthy. I went and got my nails done every couple weeks. I went thrift shopping. I love thrifting. Just got in the habit of like cleaning, going to the gym, doing like regular stuff again, because I just come back from a road trip and that was really hard. Like doing laundry on the road is completely different from doing laundry at home. So I just had to get into the swing of things. The last thing I want to say is take your hot girl walk. I know I talk about these all the time, but they are so good for your mental health, like getting outside in nature and hiking, swimming, like doing anything in nature and basically just soaking up the sun. You know, that person who made you not confident or that job that made you not confident, like it doesn't matter. Like you're connecting with nature and it doesn't matter anymore. Like, just let it go and like forgive them. What's meant to be will be, and what's not meant for you, God will take it out of your life one way or the other. That's what happened to me, and I'm so happy right now. Like, I could not be happier. I have some stuff going on with my health, if you guys have seen my other videos, but currently we're doing well. I have the best boyfriend right now. He is so great. He helps me with everything, and he's there to support me. Like, he's on my arm at all times. Like, this guy, he's great. Now I own my own house. Like, I'm here. I bought my own house back in March. So I went from living in a camper on my parents' driveway for 6 months to then buying a house. Yeah, that was really hard, but also definitely worth it and necessary. I'm really glad that I did it. Oh, and I have a job. I'm a nurse. So if you guys are going through the trenches, just know that it will get better. It won't be this way forever. You probably won't even think about it 5 years from now. And just think about like the whole grand scheme of things. It's not always gonna be this way, I promise. Things do get better. I don't want to be cliche and say, you know, give Jesus the wheel, but that's basically what needs to happen. That is basically what I did, and I feel like 10 times better. So I love you all. Thank you all for watching. I am fiddling with my stuff because I don't really do these long form vlogs. I usually do like a little short form vlog where I'm like doing stuff or whatever. I want to get more into these like in-depth talks and a little bit like more authenticity with you guys. I just want you to be my best friends. I feel like it's so hard to talk to the camera. It's so hard to talk to the camera, but then I think of my bestie on the other side and I'm like, hey, what's up, girl? How you doing? And then I just start word vomit. You'll get it. You understand. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I love you all so much. If you want a more formal self-development video, long form, I have a second channel. I'll link that down below. And yeah, thank you so much. All right. See you later. Bye.